You are going to love the 2023 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitoring system, inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Come see the car for yourself.